guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dhruti and guess what? We have entered the cold season, the winter season. Guys, it is my favorite season, though I can't tolerate too much cold to be very honest. But I love winter because I get to wear woolens, which I love a lot because they are very cozy, they look very smart and also very cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair some outfits for you so you can get some ideas on how you can style yourself in this cold season and look very smart and cool, whether you're going for work, whether you're going for a party or just a casual gathering. So let's start. Alright, so I have this beautiful slim black, pencil skirt which I love to wear in office and combine it with a black top, and I like to change different jackets based on where I have to, wear it, like is it a party or it's an office meeting or whatsoever. So I have this beautiful knitted, yellow jacket. This is very beautiful, embroidered front, and I like to pair it with this skirt along with a scarf and some distressed leather boots, and it gives you a very OTT smart cool look in the office, and I love to pair it this way. I'll also show you some more combinations that I like to pair it with woolens with this pencil skirt, and you will understand and maybe style yourself this way if you have a pencil skirt like this. So let's see. Okay, so now I have this beautiful knitted jacket. Okay, so let's say it's not a very cold day and still you want to feel the the winter vibe and you want to look smart and cool, then you can pair it with this kind of black pencil skirt and just make you look very, very smart with some sandals to go with it, right? And it will still look very smart, and it will also give you the cozy winter vibe that you want during the cold season. So some of the combination that I like to try with this black pencil skirt. Okay, the next combination that I have is this bright red color. Obviously, you all know that winter is the season of Christmas, and during Christmas you obviously want to wear red, okay, specifically on the day of Christmas. So you can pair it with this kind of pencil skirt and this kind of, off the shoulder. It's off the shoulder, but I'm not wearing it off the shoulder because it's cold here. And then you can pair it with some smart fur boots like so. And trust me guys, you would look hot, smart and sexy. Okay, now I have a more subtle combination of this black skirt with a very plain gray colored jumper, and then like baby pink shawl kind of sweater. It looks so elegant guys, it looks so elegant. Maybe you have some meeting, maybe you have some gathering, you can pair it up with a fur boots, and honestly it looks really, really smart. You can just see it looks so pretty. And it just gives you a different kind of vibe. It's cozy, beautiful and elegant. Alright, now let's say you have to go to some casual fun gathering with your friends, or maybe a campfire or something, and you just want to wear something smart but not jeans and thick woolens or whatever. Then you can wear something like this. So I have this beautiful bodycon woolen suit, one piece outfit, and I like to pair it with this jacket and some boots. Yeah, you might be thinking that I have been featuring boots a lot, but that's what guys, I love to wear boots during winter because they look very smart and they keep my legs, which are the which are the coolest, and they catch cold a lot easily. So I love to wear boots during the cold season, and they give me a very, very smart and cool look. So I love to pair it with most of my winter outfits. Okay, so this is another thing that you can try out in case of a casual, very casual gathering or campfire or whatever you want to attend. Okay, now let's say you have a situation when you are transiting from winter to summer and the days are not that cold as before, and still you want to stay in that soft winter vibes, then you can wear this kind of very thin sweater that I have. It's a very thin white, like creamish white sweater, and it has a pink unicorn embroidered on it, only the outline. And I like to wear it with this nice pink cotton trousers and some matching floaters. So it just gives me a very casual fun look, and it makes me feel very, very comfortable and cozy. I like to wear it if I go for a morning walk, or sometimes I even like to wear it at office when it's like a very casual meeting or something. So I mean, you can try this kind of combination. It's fun. Okay, now another casual winter look that I have is this beautiful thin knit sweater that I have. And I love to pair it with blue denims and casual, like a very thin scarf. And then I pair it with bright red stilettos. It's Allen Solly stilettos, and I love to carry this look when I have to go out for a casual party with my friends, just a gathering, just a small coffee gathering that I might have with my friends. Okay guys, so now normally during winter people like to wear more dark colors, brown, grays, and sad colors, but I personally like to wear more bright colors during winter because it makes you feel cheerful in a cold season. And my winter collection will be incomplete without this beautiful rainbow sweater that my mom had made for me ages ago. Okay, she knitted it herself. You can see what brilliant combination of colors she's taken, and I love to wear it for a casual look. If I have to go out for a party with my friends, I love to pair it with denims and my red stilettos, and it gives me a really sexy, hot and smart look. And thank you mom for making this for me. I love it. All right, now I have this beautiful very thick baby pink sweater that my cousin had brought for me from the US, and it's been with me for ages now. It's still very good, it still fits me well, but of course I can't wear it in Mumbai winter because it's not that cold. But very rarely, that one very cold day and I go out in the night, then I like to wear this one. I like to pair it with some sneakers, some smart shoes, and it looks really smart on a casual outing. And I love to pair it with my light blue jeans because it goes very well, and it looks very smart. Alright, now I have this very simple V-neck sweater which is very warm and cozy, and I like to pair it with my Capri light blue jeans and some sneakers, and I love to wear it when I have to go out for an evening walk with my friends. So it's very comfortable, it gives you a very casual and relaxed look and feel. So you can try this combination when you have to go out just for a casual walk with your friends. It's a nice combination. Okay guys, so I have this smart black, like midnight black polo neck t-shirt that was gifted by my sister a long time ago. She stays in the US and she keeps sending me these woolens, and I love to wear them, and it just has been with me again for quite some time. And I like to pair it with my corduroy jeans and some leather boots. Unlike other outfits where I like to pair with fur boots, I like to pair this one with leather boots because it looks very, very smart. And of course this beautiful H&M animal print scarf. Anyone who knows me knows that I am crazy about animal prints, and I have a dress or a t-shirt or one outfit in animal print, a sari or anything, so why not a scarf as well. So I love to wear this in the coldest of winter days, which very rarely come in Mumbai, but yeah, once in a while I love to wear this, and it looks very smart and very, very cool. So you can try this combination guys. Okay guys, that's all from me from my winter collection. I hope you liked the combinations and styles that I showed you, and I hope it will help you style yourself in different events in your family or functions, or even casual gatherings that you might have to go to. Okay, so if you like the video, please do hit the like button and subscribe. Do not forget to click the notification icon so you will be informed when I upload my next video. So until then guys, I hope you all stay safe, take care, and goodbye.